Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say
مصر.
The Arabic name for Egypt is a country in Northeast Africa, extending into the Sinai Peninsula in Asia. Its capital is Cairo, the official language is Arabic, and the currency is the Egyptian pound. Egypt is famous for its ancient civilization, the pyramids, the Nile River, and historical and cultural landmarks.
مصر. 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 مصر.
Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.